Okay, now we come to a topic which is like more detail about security. It is called adversaries. So who are adversaries? Like, what do you mean by adversaries? We have been using this word like adverse effects. Okay, like for example, if some chemical has adverse effects or some medicine has adverse effect, adverse means very bad effect or very worst effect, so that's called adverse effect over there. But here it is used in a different context. Over here they say that who are adversaries. Okay, so adversary are who? Computer criminals. Okay, it can be immature kids who want to just for fun, they want to hack the some website or some computers over there. Script kiddies, some like javascripts and vb scripts programs for fun. Crackers, okay, to crack the username and password for the people. Organized crime, so it can be organized crime by the professional criminals or hackers over there. Cyber warriors, so they fight a war for each other, like some different countries to country, like Pakistan and India. I said there was a case study for that one, or Russian, US, or some other countries, they were doing it. So cyber warriors, they do it for country level. Terrorists, they are like a very bad guys, so their purpose is to make terror, so they don't have any country. They just it can be from anywhere in the world, and from any part of the world, for any country, from any religion. So it can, they are the different categories over there. So we need to remember that. So these are the computer criminals. We have it. It's called adversaries. So adversaries are the computer criminals over there. So remember, one approach to prevention or moderation is to understand who commits these crimes and why. Okay, so you need to see who are doing it and why they are doing it. So these are for fun. These are just maybe for just testing over there. This is for criminals. This is by countries, maybe armies. They are doing it. Okay, these are by the other people over there. So these are the different things we have it.